You're going back to school.
I'm
not telling Daddy.
They're real. Don't try them. Some lady.
Mother?
My mom, friend.
What you had?
Well, define. I don't know, 4 or 5 hundred.
Is that part of the rock star lifestyle?
Yeah, that's people, loving me. And, it's just so. What do you think? In the 80s, it was just presented as man, fast cars and beautiful women and everything you want. So I'm like, I can play the drums, I can play the guitar. So,
You turned out.
I want everybody to come and worship it up.
It's like you're
It's my,
photo shoot.
yeah, exactly. It's like the point. It's over the top. Sometimes there's a little bit too much frosting and then a little bit more cake.
What the hell are you talking about?
You don't understand the rock lingo?
Yeah, I just threw up in my mouth a little bit.
You gotta rock that pocket cute, man. You gotta rock it. I might be a little narcissistic.